Play-Doh, so let's get started. First, we add rice flour into the pan. Then we add the salt into the pan. Then we add the cream of tartar into the pan. I'm going to make pink Play-Doh, so I'm going to add red food coloring into the water and mix. Next, we're going to add the water and the oil into the pan and mix. Next, we're going to add the oil into the pan and mix. I added a lot of food coloring, a lot of red food coloring into this Play-Doh, so I think this is going to be red. Ask your parents to help on this step. Cook over medium heat for 5 minutes. Stir the whole time. It looks like this when it's done. I'm going to add my vanilla. Be careful, the pan's hot. Dump the dough on the table to let it cool. Now it's cool, I'm going to knead it. I'm going to add sprinkles to make it pretty. See? I made a snowman and a hand. This is Lena. Out. Brought to you by Kids with Food Allergies.